Hi guys, welcome to another episode of Learn Technology in 5 Minutes by MakerDemi. This is Naveen and I'm part of the instructor team at MakerDemi. In this episode, we are going to learn about AWS Honeycode. In every work field, we need tools like Excel or Google Sheets to track and manage things like to-do checklist, assign tasks, process approvals, event scheduling, customer relationship management, etc. But sharing these files through emails is an error-prone method. For this, we may need to hire developers to build personalized mobile apps, but it is difficult to keep them updated as our work nature changes. The AWS Honeycode, released in June of 2020, can help us solve this issue. AWS Honeycode is a fully managed drag and drop web and mobile app development platform that does not require any programming. With Honeycode, we can create highly interactive web and mobile applications backed by the AWS inbuilt database to perform tasks like tracking data over time, notifying users of changes, etc. We use tabular columns similar to the spreadsheet on the backend where we enter the data or store the app's data. We can create a relation between the columns of the same sheet or different sheets. We can also use all the formulas available in the spreadsheet and many new formulas in the Honeycode. The app development is done by drag and drop. Even forms that may need complex coding while developing an app can be made in the Honeycode by drag and drop. We can also use variables, formulas, conditions, and relations inside this app builder. We can do stuff like sending emails and sharing data with our team members, and we have full control of the access to the data we are storing in the app. To use AWS Honeycode, we first have to create a free account using our mail ID. After creating the account, log into the drive. The drive provides a storage space where all our work, that is, the apps that we have developed and the tabular column can be saved. On the left side of the screen, we will find the Honeycode logo, which functions as a home button icon. On the bottom, we will find 4 different icons. The first one is a help icon. Upon clicking this, we can search for any information regarding any functions available in the Honeycode. For example, let us search for the function find last row and see the result. Honeycode also has a community where we can search for more resources and templates to guide us while developing more complex apps. The bell icon is for notification. This option is for selecting and controlling our team. We can use this to add team members who can access and use the app that we develop. The number of people we can add freely is limited to 20 people. After that, if we want to add more people, we have to upgrade our account. This space in the middle is where we can find all the saved apps and the tabular columns we have created. On the right top end, we will find the option used to start creating the app. We can either start creating the app from scratch or use these templates as examples and convert them into our app. We can share the apps we develop with any team members we have added in the list here. Here on the left side, we will find the options for working in a tabular column to store our app's data. Inside the tabular column, we will see a page similar to a spreadsheet. We can create up to 100,000 rows and columns in this sheet. This is similar to a spreadsheet and we can enter the data here and add formula and variables and other necessary details inside it. Then the app builder option is where we will develop our app. Finally, the automation option is used to send notification and alert messages to the selected team members to notify. I have here created an app to add the names of new employees and their designation. Working on Honeycode is relatively easy as it uses visual programming. All we have to do is drag and drop the options and use the built-in function to develop the app. This will be useful for developers who are having a tough time developing an app by writing the entire code and then doing a test run to find bugs and errors. Honeycode supports live debugging during app development. That is all folks. If you like this video, smash the subscribe button and ring the bell to be updated about our future video releases.